Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Dominion game is probably one of the most influential deck-building board games ever created, offering a unique and endlessly replayable experience that has captivated players since its release. It revolutionized the genre by introducing the core mechanic of building your deck as you play, making each game a fresh strategic puzzle. If you're looking for a game that combines strategic depth with accessible gameplay, Dominion is a fantastic choice that continues to stand the test of time and remains a staple in many board game collections worldwide. Number 5. Inspiration Play Double Ditto Family Party Game. Introducing Double Ditto, a hilariously fun award-winning party game perfect for the whole family. It's designed for 4 to 20 players and is suitable for ages 8 and up. This game has been recognized with the Creative Child Magazine Game of the Year award. It's not just a game, it's a fantastic gift idea for any occasion. Add it to your gift list today. Double Ditto is a fast-paced game that's easy for everyone to enjoy, from kids aged 8 to adults. It encourages creativity with customizable answers, making it a unique experience. Simply pick a card, read it aloud, and quickly write down 2 answers you think others will guess. You'll be surprised to discover whose mind is in sync with yours. Inside, you'll find 400 category cards, a 15-second timer, score sheets, and an instruction card. A game typically lasts about 25 minutes. It's a top-rated family and party game loved by kids, teens, and adults alike. Bring it to your next gathering for guaranteed laughter and fun. What we like. This game is a fantastic choice for families looking for guaranteed laughs. Its award-winning status and simple rules make it incredibly accessible for all ages. If you enjoy creative thinking and guessing what others are thinking, you should definitely consider this. What people say. It was so much fun and so many laughs. Everyone loves this game. Great fun family game. Easy to play without having to read a lot of directions. This is a fun, easy to play game for the family. Our group included ages 8 to 75. Everyone enjoyed it. Number 4. Queensell Dominoes Set, Double 6 Classic Board Game. Introducing the Queensell Dominoes Set, a classic board game perfect for family fun. This set brings timeless entertainment to your home. Crafted with durable melamine, these tiles feature well-painted, indented dots that are built to last. Enjoy years of gameplay with their high-quality construction. Gather your friends and family for an engaging game. This set is designed for 2 to 4 players, offering interactive fun for all ages. Looking for the perfect gift? This domino set is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion, suitable for both kids and adults. Your new domino set comes neatly organized in a classic brown wood case. It's perfect for storage and makes it easy to take the fun on the go. This set includes 28 classic ivory-colored tiles with black dots, following the standard double 6 system. Each tile is perfectly weighted for balanced play. What we like. For those who appreciate timeless classics, this set offers a premium experience. The durable tiles and elegant wood case make it a joy to play with and a great gift. If you're looking for a traditional domino set that's built to last, this is the one for you. What people say. The tiles have a nice weight and feel durable, with clear, easy-to-read pips. The included racks are a big plus, especially for younger players or anyone who prefers hands organized neatly. The travel case keeps everything stored securely and makes it easy to bring along to gatherings. The classic black and white dominoes are easy to read, with clearly marked dots, making them great for both casual and serious play. The wooden storage box adds a nice touch. It's sturdy, well-crafted, and keeps everything neatly organized when not in use. The dominoes are large and easier for him to see, and he's been enjoying them so much. Very nice set of dominoes, and I highly recommend them. Number 3. Queensell Dominoes Set, Double 6 Standard Dominoes. Introducing the Queensell Dominoes Set, a classic board game perfect for both adults and kids. This set brings timeless entertainment to your family game nights. Inside, you'll find 28 black domino tiles, each featuring a standard numbering system with recessed dots and a metal spinner rivet. It all comes neatly stored in a sleek PU leather case. This domino set offers more than just fun, it's an engaging way to sharpen critical thinking and reinforce math skills. It's ideal for various settings, from classrooms to community centers. Looking for a great gift? This set is an excellent choice for birthdays, holidays, and any special occasion. It's suitable for kids aged 6 and up, making it a versatile present. Each tile is crafted with the ideal weight and balance for comfortable play and long-lasting enjoyment. The vintage look, enhanced by the central spinner, adds a touch of classic style. The domino tiles are perfectly sized at 0.35 by 1 by 2 inches, ensuring they are easy to handle and play with for all ages. What we like. This option is perfect for families and educators seeking a blend of fun and learning. The educational benefits combined with its stylish vintage design make it a unique addition to game night. If you want a domino set that's both engaging and intellectually stimulating, this is an excellent pick. What people say. Dominion is a deck-building game where players acquire cards to build their deck and score victory points. The game offers a lot of replayability due to the variety of kingdom card combinations available in each game. It's easy to learn the basic rules, but the strategic depth comes from understanding card synergies and deck optimization. Number 2. Dominoes Game Double 9 Set. Introducing the Double 9 Dominoes set, a classic board game perfect for family game nights. This set is designed for both adults and kids aged 8 and up, offering endless fun for everyone. Crafted with the highest quality materials, each of the 55 tiles features durable construction with well-painted, indented dots that are built to last. Enjoy a premium gaming experience with these eco-friendly painted dots. Experience the ideal weight and balance with each tile. Measuring 0.35 by 1 by 2 inches, they are perfectly sized for comfortable handling and balanced gameplay, offering a stylish vintage look. This classic table game provides entertainment for the whole family and friends. It's a great toy for boys and girls, perfect for holiday gatherings, travel, or camping adventures. Keep your game protected and ready for adventure with the included brown wood case. This convenient storage solution ensures your dominoes are safe from wear and tear, whether you're playing indoors or outdoors. This set is perfect for classic domino games as well as popular variations like Mexican Train and Chicken Foot. It's a versatile addition to your game collection, offering multiple ways to play. What we like. If you're ready to dive into more complex domino games like Mexican Train, this set is ideal. With 55 tiles, it offers more strategic depth and variety. If you're looking for a versatile domino set for extended family fun and enjoy games with more options, this is a great choice. What people say. The blocks themselves are substantial and durable, but easy for my 5-year-old to handle. The dominoes are large, smooth and a little slippery due to the glossy material and rounded corners. They feel very solid and well made and like you will never need to buy another set of dominoes again. The dominoes are large, so they can be read easily. They are color-coded so you can also quickly scan and match colors or filter by color as you play. And lastly, but far from leastly, the dots aren't just dots painted on the surface but drilled or molded indentations. Number 1. Dominion Renaissance Expansion. Get ready to dive into the Renaissance with this exciting expansion for Dominion. It adds a wealth of new cards to enhance your gameplay. This expansion brings 300 brand new cards to the game. Discover new strategies and combinations to outwit your opponents. Master the art of deck building with these fresh additions. Every game will offer a unique challenge and a new path to victory. Explore powerful new actions and treasures that will change the way you play. Your kingdom awaits its next great era. Designed for players aged 13 and up, this expansion is perfect for game nights with friends and family. Experience the next level of Dominion. Bring the spirit of innovation and progress to your table. This expansion offers endless replayability and strategic depth. What we like. This is a must-have for fans of the original game looking to expand their options. It introduces new mechanics and cards for fresh gameplay. If you enjoy deep strategy and want to add significant replayability to your existing collection, this expansion is perfect for you. What people say. The coin and action-saving tokens are great to use. Having the ability to smooth out your purchasing power across turns or even save up for a big turn is very powerful and strategic. The villagers can really get you out of a bind when you draw actions you couldn't otherwise play. The projects provide an extra ability for the rest of the game after you buy them, and are often very useful. Some are very fun, such as Citadel, that's like an automatic throne room at the start of each turn. The mechanics in this expansion are simple enough for a new player to pick up instantly, but add so much more to the game. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.